Maybe one day, that calling is there. I'll always be very active in terms of being a vocal proponent of these things. I think my father has truly changed, the Republican Party. I think it's the America First Party now.
The 47-year-old, firstborn of the US president, from his first marriage with Ivana, bearing the same name. Donald Trump Jr. has emerged as a political force in his own right. Reuters reported in November that he was the most influential Trump family member in the transition, as his father built the most controversial cabinet in the modern US history in his second term. His social media and podcasts are the biggest tools with which builds his supporter base and does his outreach campaigns, most of which now are centered around his father's work.
So I think it's an incredible opportunity. And what I saw last week looked truly spectacular. It's an entire reset for the future of Middle East-U.S. relations, the business opportunities. And I think it was just incredible to see. It's truly spectacular.
Donald Trump Jr. has served as a boardroom judge on the reality TV show featuring his father, The Apprentice. In addition, he authored Triggered in 2019 and Liberal Privilege in 2020. The eldest child of Donald Trump was active in his father's 2016 presidential campaign and also campaigned for several Republicans during the 2018 midterm elections.
We're now at 4.2. Obama said, and I quote, "Well, there's no magic wand for that." No, there is no magic wand if you're incompetent.
During the 2020 presidential campaign of Donald Trump, his eldest son was active, often being on the campaign trail and being featured in the news, pushing his father for the consecutive second term. Though he lost it, but 4 years later, at the 2024 Republican National Convention, Donald Trump Jr. led the introductions of J.D. Vance, who was selected as his father's running mate, and finally ascended as the Vice President of America. While Donald Trump himself doesn't rule out the possibility of running for the Oval Office for a third term, his eldest son has now thrown himself in the race to inherit the mantle from his father to lead the country from the White House.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.